Next is one of the important ones is Battements Soutenus. That's kind of like very important to learn how to pull both legs together when the one leg is in développé in the front or side or back or on the floor. So first we're going to do, again, preparation. Arm immediately is going to go E1, E opens 2. We're going to pick it up, E, coup de pied front, right above the bone, and we're going to go into the plie, head to the side, opens. Now she's going to press a little bit more deeper to stretch that Achilles, E, and close fifth position. Same thing is going to happen to the side. E goes 1, coup de pied, E opens to the side, press, E, close to the back. Again, E, 1, good, and then try not to sickle here where the toe goes here. Keep that heel back under your calf muscle. E opens 1 on the floor, head to the side, E press, E close fifth position. As you progress and you get better in this, of course you have to keep your hips and the shoulders turned out as we talked in the previous videos. You start doing this on releve. So let's execute the same thing in the releve. Fifth position, E goes 1. Now leg opens 45 degrees, 2, plie, 45 degrees. And then leg goes down, you press, E, pull, susu, susu. Okay, let's go one more time. E, we're going to do it right now on releve. E goes 1, E opens 2, E place 1, pull. E goes 1, E opens to the side, head straight, E pull back. E goes 1, coup de pied back, head, down, and close. Now, very important thing here, as you open, so go coup de pied back, E1, E1, plie, your leg opens exactly 45 degrees and you sit in that position. The leg should not go up or down, yeah? And then from here, when you plie, the leg stays. So she plies E, toes, and then you pull that leg together. Very important that you pull both legs. Most of the time is your supporting leg that does all the working. It pulls your leg that is up. Okay, so do one more time. E goes 1, E open head, down, E pull together. So that's what your Battements Soutenus in flat and on releve position.